bring you down, right? Yeah. For me, experience like that, humiliating experience or a bad experience, terrible experience in my life, how to deal with that experience. I think if the person who humiliate you, if the humiliation can is true, you don't need to reply. If the humiliation is not true, you don't need to reply too, because if someone says to you that you are a liar, actually you're not a liar, you don't need to respond to that person, because you're not a liar. But if you are a liar, you don't need to respond to them too, because you are a liar. That's the truth. Yeah. In another case, if someone bring you down, if someone humiliate you, other thing that you can do is to reply. If the reply to the person can make the person repent, can make the person realize the truth that his kind of action is bad. For example, there is a hadith to reply to I forgot the narration of the hadith. To reply to arrogant person is charity.
Al-muqtabbir sunnatun. Al-mutakabbir
to be high in front of
sunnatun.
a high person, to be high in front of an arrogant person is a charity. Yeah,
charity. Charity.
So if the act of charity, if you reply to the person, will make that person realize, will make the person aware of his bad action. You have to reply, but if your reply will make the person worse, make the person can go further to be more arrogant, to stray from the straight path. Just leave him behind, go to another place, and just don't make friends with that kind of person. Yeah, I think that's all from me. Thank you so much.
Alright, any question? Alright, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa, do you know that guy who has humiliated you? I mean, what year? A couple of years ago, or a couple of years ago, or a couple of months ago? You know that guy? Is it a man or woman? Something like annoying you or not? You know what?
Yeah, actually, I tend to forget. People's bad action, bad behavior towards me, because we don't have to recall someone's bad habit toward us, but we have to recall their good deeds to us, in order that we can reply their good deeds but not reply their bad deeds. I think that's all.